In the bikes, strategy and knowing when to lead from the front and when to hang back for a good road position has been the name of the game in this year's Dakar. And Sam Sunderland has been the rider who has nailed it all rally long. Finishing today second fastest with just one stage remaining, Sunderland now leads by just under 7 minutes with one stage to go. Pablo Quintanilla lies second overall, but just 23 seconds clear of KTM's Matthias Walkner. This one is going all the way down to the wire here in Saudi Arabia.
The morning was a little bit dusty, it was sometimes hard and tricky with the navigation, but yeah, I make a few mistakes, but I really try all day pushing like hell. Finally, it was a good day for me, so let's see, and looking forward for last day tomorrow.
In the cars, it was another dominant day for Carlos Sainz in the Audi. Had the Spaniard not had his navigational day one problems, based on pace alone, he would have been in the fight for this year's Dakar win. Instead, it remains between Nasser Al-Attiyah in the Toyota and Sebastian Loeb in the BRX Hunter. While Loeb's mechanical problems from week one have cost him dear, the Qatari remains on course for his first Saudi Arabian Dakar title.
This was a difficult stage and not easy, because we think a lot, But okay, to lose only 4 minutes something, from Sab, it's nothing, and we are in good way, Tomorrow's a short stage. We need just to continue like this same pace, and yeah, it's very important to win this race.
In the lightweights, Cristina Gutierrez was leading the class early on, but dropped over 20 minutes just before the midway point of today's stage. And no surprises, teammate Seth Quintero was quick to steal the spoils, leading from that point on all the way to the finish line to break the record for the most number of stage wins in a single Dakar rally.
Today we ended up breaking the record. That's win number 11 for us, so I'm super stoked on that. Really kind of out of words, speechless on this past 2 weeks. It's been quite the adventure, but yeah, blessed to be in this position. So stoked to finally, break this record. We came here trying to break one record, and that was being the youngest to ever win a Dakar, and looks like we ended up breaking a different record, which is the most stage wins in a single Dakar. So no complaints here, and yeah, just super stoked.